These are our Cliphanger Shields. They come in 3 different styles with 2 different textures. The one texture is a gloss, solid plastic. The other texture is a rubber finish and has more of a rubbery, smooth feel. The 3 different styles, we have a half shell or a single piece that snaps onto the back of the phone, and we also have a clamshell style design. And then our other style is a clamshell style, but it has a silicone liner that goes around the phone before it gets placed into the shield. I'm going to show you how to install each one of these and to remove your phone from them if you need to. The first style is the half shell design, or just a single snap-on piece. The best way to put your phone into this style of shield is to insert the buttons into the holes first. So if you have any buttons, you want to make sure that those go in first. So we'll slip that side in, and then we'll just snap the rest of the phone down into the shield. You also notice with the pivot, if you do have a problem with the camera or the flash, just press the button on the pivot to rotate the pivot out of the way of the camera. Now, to remove your phone from this style shield, what we need to do is to start from one edge, and since we inserted this side of the phone into the shield first, we're going to go back and just go in reverse order. So we want to take this edge of the phone, pop that edge of the phone out on our fingernail down there, and pop the rest of the phone out of the shield. Just like that. Our second style is a clamshell style. You have a back piece with our pivot, and you want to take your phone and place that into the back half. Make sure that's in and secure. And then take the faceplate, line that up, and then snap the edge all the way around. Now, since this style shield is basically the same as our next, or the XP line, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to snap that on. I'm going to take that, put it aside, pull the phone out, and I'll show you the rest of that operation with the XP shield. Again, this is just basically a clamshell style design, but this style has this silicone liner to act as a shock resistor for your phone. So we're going to take your phone, we're going to put it into the liner, stretch the edges around, and then make sure that everything is in place where it needs to go. We're going to take that assembly, place it into the back half of the XP shield, and push that in and make sure everything is where it should be, everything's lined up properly. And then take that faceplate, place that where it needs to go, and then press the edges down and snap them in all the way around the phone. Now, if you need to remove this particular shield and the other clam style shield design, what we need to do is identify a place where we can actually get an edge to lift out, and you can find those edges wherever there are buttons, jacks, holes, where this rubber liner sticks out. And I've found that it's best to work off of this edge down here, and we're going to put our fingernail into the edge, and we're going to lift out the front half and get one of those edges to pop. Once you do that, you can run your fingernail down the seam on both sides, and it'll eventually just pop right off. And then you can go ahead and pull out your phone from the other half and remove the liner. And those are the 3 Cliphanger shields.